maybe it's just me, but fall makes me think curly hair. Something about it is so cozy and warm, and it's a playful look. And I honestly am so obsessed with curly hair, and I haven't done one in a while. So I was really excited to have this one sent by RPG Show. She does have the detachable combs, which you can reattach with Velcro if you like. And I really like this whole drawstring situation. They call it their Fit Lock 13x6 drawstring wig. So you have plenty of lace, but the fit is nice and secure. Now this one does have a tinted Swiss lace, but it doesn't have super bleach knots, because curly hair does, you know, it takes a lot of maintenance to take care of. So in order to make sure it's nice and strong and doesn't come just falling off of the lace, they don't bleach it heavy, so that way your wig can last you longer. Now, of course, you can see me do this a million times. Just as long as you don't cut your lace straight across, you'll be just fine. Up and down motion, and no, you do not have to cut it while wearing it. It's just something I'm used to doing. If you're not comfortable, absolutely take it off and just cut it on a mannequin head, so you make sure you don't cut too much. But look how it literally disappeared. This hair is thick. I mean, thick, thick. Like, I would have taken more time to maybe brush it in sections, but I'm impatient, so I just drenched it as best as I could and brushed her out. Definitely though, I would give it a deep condition and then style it. One of my friends was like, girl, a twist out would be so cute. So I may give that a try too. Definitely stay tuned. I'm probably gonna do a couple of reels on this one on just styling, because again, it's such a fun wig. And when I tell you this thing saved my life when Florida dipped into the 50s at night, like way too cold, definitely will not catch me outside with no hair in cold weather. So I'd throw this on and I was immediately okay. Like, I could survive any cold weather with this. It was so perfect. And I think the color for me is what sold me. I was a little iffy on if I could pull this off, because this is a very curly texture. But this balayage highlight it had going on gives it another dimension that I just felt was so cute. And I mean, look at that. The lace literally melted, and this is with nothing on it at all.